Hey data enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to get Kaggle data straight into your Google Colab notebook. This method is super efficient and will streamline your workflow. If you're working on a machine learning project, this tip is going to save you a ton of time. No more manual downloads and uploads, just seamless integration. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to create an API key in Kaggle. Head over to kaggle.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, go to your user settings page. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Kaggle experience. Scroll down to the API section and click on Create New API Token. This is a crucial step as it allows Colab to authenticate your requests. This will download a file called Kaggle Datasets to your computer. Make sure to keep this file secure as it contains sensitive information. Alright, now that we've got our API key, let's jump into Colab. Open up your Colab notebook and in a new cell, type the following snippet from google.colab import files. Upload, run the cell, and then upload the Kaggle Datasets file you just downloaded. This will let Colab use your Kaggle account to fetch datasets. Now we need to install the Kaggle API. In a new cell, type pip install qkaggle. Run the cell to install the Kaggle API. This library is essential for interacting with Kaggle directly from your Colab environment. Next, we need to move the Kaggle Datasets file to the appropriate directory. In the same cell or a new one, type mkdir pls kaggle cp kaggle datasets /kaggle/ run the cell. This command creates a directory called .kaggle and copies your Kaggle Datasets file into it. This step ensures that the API key is stored in the right place for future use. Now Colab knows where to find your Kaggle API key. This setup is a one-time process, and once done, you won't need to repeat it for future projects. Alright, now we're ready to download some datasets. Head back to Kaggle and find the dataset you want to work with. Kaggle offers a plethora of datasets across various domains, so take your pick. Click on the dataset page, and you'll see an API command to download it. This command is tailored for each dataset, making it super convenient. For example, if you're working on the Titanic dataset, the command would be Kaggle competitions download. See Titanic. Copy this command and paste it into a new cell in your Colab notebook. Run the cell and voila! The dataset will start downloading directly into your Colab environment. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a Kaggle dataset into your Colab notebook. Super easy, right? This method not only saves time but also keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Now go ahead and start analyzing your data and building awesome models. The possibilities are endless when you have easy access to high-quality datasets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on data science. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. See you next time and happy coding. Remember, the key to mastering data science is consistent practice and staying updated with the latest tools and techniques. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with data. The dataset will start downloading directly into your Colab environment. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Kaggle dataset into your Colab notebook. Super easy, right? Now go ahead and start analyzing your data and building awesome models. Happy coding! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on data science. See you next time.